Updating your email address on Agoda is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or open the app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the page. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to personal information or email preferences. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your current email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Agoda. Keeping your email updated ensures you receive important notifications regarding your bookings and account.